We will guide you through how to create Viewport in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click the Layout tab at the bottom of the AutoCAD workspace to enter paper space, where the drawing will be prepared for printing. If a default viewport already appears on the layout, select it and press Delete if you want to create a new viewport manually. Click the Layout tab on the ribbon and locate the Layout Viewports panel. Click Rectangular to create a rectangular viewport. Specify the first corner of the viewport by clicking a suitable location in paper space. Move the cursor to the opposite corner and click again to define the viewport size. AutoCAD will create the viewport and display the model drawing inside the rectangular boundary. Double-click inside the viewport to activate model space through the viewport. Type Z in the command line, press Enter, then type E and press Enter to zoom the model to the available drawing area. Adjust the view using the zoom command or the mouse wheel until the required portion of the drawing is clearly visible. Set the required drawing scale by selecting the viewport boundary and choosing a scale such as 150 or 1:100. Pan the drawing inside the viewport if necessary so the model is positioned correctly. Double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. Lock the viewport by enabling Display Locked in the Properties panel. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed viewport. Your viewport is now ready for editing, scaling, plotting, and printing whenever needed.